What's up everybody, Jason Page here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this light painting right here. You may have seen a very similar image that I posted on my Instagram a few days ago. Of course, I didn't shoot a video about that image, and so that is the one that everyone had a ton of questions about. So I figured the easiest way to answer all those questions was to come back, shoot a very similar image, but this time film the process so I could share it with you guys. First thing I want to answer is no, it's not a real person in this image. It's a mannequin that I used to test out different ideas. I had a few people ask me, is this a real person? Is it a mannequin? And it is absolutely a mannequin that I use. You'll see the mannequin has this cool like holographic look on the face. And that is because I got sucked down the Facebook rabbit hole of advertising and somehow ended up on this like futuristic looking mask thing. So Facebook got me, but I'm kind of glad they did because it turned out really cool in this image and then therefore sparked a bunch of other ideas where I think I'm going to use this in other stuff, other like futuristic ideas that I have for other light paintings I want to create. The tools that I used for this image were the purple color hood. I used the portrait light from Light Painting Brushes. I used a purple fiber optic with the orange screw-on color filter, and I used the new mini plexiglass triangle. 4 new mini plexiglass shapes just went up on the Light Painting Brushes website. We've got the triangle, the circle, the square, and the mini popsicle. These things are great for light drawing and light writing, and I also like them a lot for light painting portraits because the smaller size allows you to work right around your model, makes it a lot easier than some of those bigger plexiglass shapes. The light that I used is one from Frank at Light Excursion. This I believe he calls the Top Gun model. This is just a white light, but it has a dimming feature, and it also has the little on-off, momentary on-off button on the top that I really like a lot. And as always, all the tools are attached to the light via the universal connector. The settings that I used were ISO 100 f9 shooting on bulb mode. Starting the exposure now, the first tool that I'm using is the purple color hood. I'm using the purple color hood here just to illuminate the mannequin. I'm illuminating from the sides of the mannequin so I get some nice shadows in that robe that I have draped around her. Next up here, I'm using the portrait light, and this is really more about the reflection of the mask that the mannequin is wearing more so than using the portrait light to illuminate the mannequin. Now I'm using the purple fiber optic with the orange screw-on color filter, and I'm just going to drape a little light around the front here. Using the same tool here, the purple fiber optic with the orange screw-on color filter, I'm just waving the fiber optic around back behind the mannequin here to really separate her from the background and also add more color and texture to the scene. The other thing that I'm doing here is I'm going to go wider at the base and more narrow up towards her head, almost keeping that same triangle or pyramid pattern throughout the entire image. As you'll see, I'm about to come in here and create this triangle necklace. I'm also going to try to create this triangle effect of light behind her as well. Finally, I'm using the mini triangle plexiglass here to create this like light necklace going around my mannequin. The most important part here is that I hold the plexiglass as still as I can while it's illuminated. If I want to make sure I get a nice sharp triangle look here as I'm creating this necklace, I need to make sure that I'm holding it as still as I can anytime that it's illuminated. All right, and there we have it. Thank you guys very much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do give me the thumbs up down below. If you have any questions or comments, put them down in the comments section. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do hit the subscribe button down below. And until the next video, guys, get out there and get creative.